gonna catch this train to my meeting. I'm currently walking to my business meeting. I arrived super early because I'm like, if the Swiss make watches, they gotta care about time. So I didn't want to be late. And now I'm just going to go into this building. So I'm gonna wait in there, I guess, until it's like 5 minutes to the time that I was supposed to meet the person. Yeah, but this business meeting is going to be with a company representative, and essentially they're gonna tell me if maybe we can have a partnership or not, and they might become our new suppliers for waterproof natural membranes. So then I don't have to, you know, for my business, my Robin Wolf dog clothing business, so I don't have to rely on polyester or other materials, because we try to be very recyclable and circular in our approach. So I don't want to use those kinds of materials for waterproof rain jackets, for example, for dogs. So instead I'm trying to see if I can use this membrane. Today I'm living out my Willy Wonka dreams. Look where I'm at. Yes, Lindt Chocolate Factory in Zurich. And of course, you can already smell the chocolate outside. Look at this. Big tower, all the chocolate fumes coming out. So yeah, I love chocolate. So let's go inside. Let's see what they have to offer at the Lindt Chocolate Factory. Willy Wonka. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this chocolate. This would be my dream job. Like, make that chocolate. I just got something from there, surprise. This is what the whole museum looks like. Okay, I'm officially entering paradise. Look at this. Everything is chocolate. My only question is, where's Roger at? Honey, you have to come and say hi. I'm in your country. Found him. Okay, he disappeared again. Okay, we're going to the observatorium to, right there, to go on a Mercury retrograde tour. Super, super fun. Mercury retrograde, here we go.
The next day was a Wednesday, and on Wednesdays, Kunsthaus in Zurich is free. I think it's for students, but maybe it's for everybody. I love art, so you're gonna see me explaining, giving you a little tour of the museum. As I passed by some very famous pieces, I needed to say something. Tanya, she's the one who doesn't know anything about art, and I can just use her untrained eye as a good, comedic filter to what we're gonna see.
Now we're in the hall where there's a lot of works by Marc Chagall, and Chagall is one of my favorites, so you'll see a little bit of that right now. I'm here with a very famous mural. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Tanya's not impressed. And here we have abstraction, and this movement started after Expressionism and Fauvism. So I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite artists for abstract art. One of them is Mondrian. So Mondrian, Piet Mondrian, he's a very, very, very famous painter. You know, he's mostly iconically known for these square paintings. Now I'm going to show you another one that's very famous. On every single design book you'll find this one. So Mondrian, he starts this new abstract, very iconic lined work. And then we have my personal favorite, Vasily Kandinsky, right here. And Vasily Kandinsky, he's famous for these very abstract, bizarre shapes and colors, but he's iconic in many ways. In particular, you know what he named this particular painting? He called it the Black Spot. My guy Picasso, he loved women so much. He called that one the Big Nude. Wait, I want to show you something. Look at this sculpture. Here. This is the head of a woman by Picasso. How flattering. How flattering is this? We're very complex women. And then we got a Leger here. They look like Power Rangers. I think Power Rangers were inspired by Leger, to be fair. Now I'm meeting up a friend here. I haven't seen her in many years, actually 2 years I think now. At Sprungli. It's this chocolatier slash cafe at Paradeplatz. So it should be fun, let's see. So I finished my gathering with Nora, and it went super well. I miss her so much. She's just the best. We ended up going to a bookstore, of course, because that's what we love the most, is just going to check out bookstores. And I'm going for a dinner at some of Tanya's friends, Russian-speaking friends' house. So yeah, it should be fun. Practice my Russian with them. Full dish that Tanya made for me. Thank you, Tanya.